Judge Aileen Cannon has just dismissed the classified documents case against Donald Trump. Let's break it down. Remember when Donald Trump stole classified documents of our nation's secrets from the White House, refused to return them, lied about having them, conspired to hide them, and then obstructed justice? He was then indicted by special counsel Jack Smith, and that's the case that was in front of this inexperienced and completely unqualified Judge Aileen Cannon. Remember, Judge Aileen Cannon was appointed and confirmed by the Senate after Donald Trump had lost the election. And since she took this case, she's made one disastrous ruling after another in favor of Donald Trump. And now she has dismissed this case to hold the former president accountable for his crimes. This move is a glaring example of corruption in our justice system. And let's not forget that the Supreme Court just ruled that a president could have total immunity from crimes they committed while in office as long as they were official acts. When powerful people like Donald Trump can escape accountability, it undermines the very foundation of our democracy, the rule of law. And how does this happen? We're seeing it happen in real time. Judges like Aileen Cannon with questionable biases make decisions that protect criminals instead of holding them accountable. And this isn't just about Trump. It's about setting a dangerous precedent. If our own elected leaders can flout the law without consequence, what does that mean for the rest of us? When justice is selective, it erodes trust in the system. And we need a judiciary that is fair and impartial, not one that bends to power and influence. And this is just another example that highlights the stakes in November. Remember, a president appoints judges, not just on the Supreme Court, but on appellate courts, on district courts. And since Biden took office, he's appointed over 200 judges, including Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. And a majority of the judges Biden appointed are women and minorities, compared to Trump, whose judges were overwhelmingly white and male. And some were even rated as unqualified by the American Bar Association. So whatever your feelings are about Joe Biden, ask yourself this. Who do you want appointing judges for the next 4 years, which may even include Supreme Court justices to replace Thomas and Alito? Biden, that will appoint judges and will uphold our Constitution and the rule of law, or Trump, who will appoint judges that will allow him to be above the law? Because MAGA Republicans are already planning on who to put on the Supreme Court.